front and a kick to the side. I'm going to talk a lot about what the arms are doing for this exercise today. So it's front, side, front, side, front, side, front, side. Great cardio exercise. It's a popular one. I'm sure that a lot of you use this. So you're bouncing your toes, of course, and you can have the option of lifting that knee up. So it can be, which will definitely take the energy level up higher. Okay, so you want your clients to work harder, that knee's going to pull up. So this is interesting. So if I bend my elbows and I'm pushing the water out and pulling the water in, it's a good workout. If I keep my arms straight, it's a completely different experience. It's a harder workout by far. It's actually something I sort of only worked out a little while ago, was the power of keeping the arms lengthened out and sort of just moving front to side rather than going in and out like my leg. It does require slightly different coordination, not much. But I often say my pupils, if you want to work harder, keep your arms straight. And you have to use your abdominals a lot more. So if they want to feel it more in the midsection, get them to keep their arms straighter. So, left side. Now, where you need more coordination, I'm bending my knee and kicking to the front to the side, so I'm not bending my elbows, which is instinctive. I still want to bend my elbows. Keeping the arms straight though, I'm working with a much longer lever through the water rather than shortening that lever to almost nothing and then pushing it out. So, something to think about. Something to offer for level 2, for example. I'll always teach this first and then say to my clients, if you want to work harder, keep bending the knee and now keep the arms straight. Still pushing the palms against the water, but your arms stay straight and away from the shoulder. Really interesting and challenging exercise. A tweak on something that perhaps you've already been doing for a long time, and that's this week's activity. Okay, demonstrating that single leg kick. It's going to require a bit of energy and a little bit of balance too. So here we go. Front, side, front, side. Remember, hopping really helps from a balance perspective. Now I'm bending the elbows there with that demonstration. So the way I usually teach it is I say kicking with one leg, hopping on the opposite leg, bending the elbows. Those people who want to work harder, 2 options. Lift up the leg you're hopping on, so you're bringing that knee closer, and if you want to take it up even further, don't bend the elbows, but swing the arms through as you kick that leg, so you're not bending the elbows at all. And that's how I would teach it. So I'd show the basic movement pattern first, then show the hopping up action second, and then show them the sweeping arm last. You can switch that around, but I find that if you teach the sweeping arm forwards and then try and get them to bend the knee and hop on the leg, their heads can't compute it because bending the knee feels more comfortable with that, and then you layer on the next level of coordination and intensity by keeping the arms straight. So, hop when you do it. I always recommend people hop because it helps with maintaining your balance on pull deck. You can use the upper frame if you've got one. So kicking to the front, kicking to the side, kicking to the front, kicking to the side. But then you need to show the arms separately. I think this one you can do definitely without using the frame to begin with. And then use the frame to highlight important technical changes like the knee up towards the body. So, a little bit challenging, but not too hard. I call this a 5 out of 10 move to demonstrate, and that's this week's activity.